So let me welcome all of you again. And it's been a wonderful time enjoying art with you. I'm really enjoying it. And I hope you all are also enjoying it. So it's based on Madhubani today. So I'll just tell a little bit about Madhubani for those who had not joined the earlier session. So Madhubani is considered more than 2,500-year-old folk art. It is said to date back to the time of Ramayana, when King Janaka asked the artist to capture his daughter's wedding, Sita, to the prince Rama. And these paintings were traditionally done on freshly plastered mud walls and floors or huts. But now they are also done on cloth, handmade paper, canvas, etc. As you all know, Janaka was the king of Mithila. Mithila was supposed to be where geographically Nepal, extending to Bihar, is as of today. This kind of art was unknown to the outside world until the massive Bihar earthquake in 1934. The house walls had tumbled down, and a British officer who was there, I think William G. Arthur, he found the rubbles in the Madhubani district, and that's how these kind of paintings were exposed to the world. Now, something about the painting style. There are a few essential things about this kind of painting. First is the border. It is an essential part in Madhubani, and it gives a complete look to the painting. You can use any repeated pattern, curves, or forms with different colors if you wish to form beautiful patterns. And if you also notice, there is a double line in all the work. While we do, like if we make a flower, we'll just outline the flower. If we make a bird, we'll outline the bird. Why the double line? So many people believe that the double line symbolizes the balance, the masculine and the feminine, or mother and father forces. But what I feel, it symbolizes the presence of the seen and unseen, like an aura around us. We cannot see it, but it's proven that it's around us. It shows the presence of God in everything. So we should.
That's so beautiful, Gaurav.
Thank you, ma'am. So if we make a flower and we just outline it to show that it is encompassed by God, then it becomes a divine flower. So it just doesn't remain a normal flower. So this way we can see or show the omnipresent also through our work. So last time we had chosen a few, I made some works so that you could do. So this time also, ma'am, you'll have to make me the host because I like to share some screens. So I've done a few for you, then you can choose from, and let's dive in. So I hope everybody can see.
Yes, we can see, Gaurav.
There are 4 patterns I've done today. One is the lotus, an elephant, 2 birds, and a nested elephant. So whichever you like, we can just start in, and we can just take a scale first and start making the border, and then we can just make whatever we want to. These are just for your reference. If you don't want to make these, you want to make something else, it's absolutely up to you. The only rule, as I always say, is to smile and enjoy the process. So do it with a smile and enjoy whatever you're doing. And don't forget to outline whatever you make. As you can see, all the birds, the elephants, the flowers, all are outlined.
These 3 elephants are so interesting, Gaurav. I see them in different directions, like one is right, then left, then right.
See,
Even
ma'am.
I'm attracted to the same one, but I'm thinking how to fit it on a page.
It is just, these elephants are so simple. You just, make a D first.
Gaurav,
and
will you
then
please
make
show it to us the way you show on the screen? Can you show it to us?
Yes, sure, ma'am. Can you see my screen now?
Yes.
So I'll take the pencil. So just after the border, when you're ready, you just make a D. And in the center of the D, you can just make another D, a slightly smaller D. And then again a smaller one. So in this D, this becomes the head of the elephant. You just make the trunk and just like so, we have an elephant. Just make a tail. And the cloths on the back of the elephant, showing that it's a tamed elephant. And then we can just ornament it the way we want. You can make a tusk.
Wow. You simplify everything so beautifully.
It is very simple. Now we have an elephant.
Wow, amazing. Gaurav, we never had an art teacher like you, you know. I think you should have your website where you can teach everybody. I have some people in my family who don't know even how to draw a curve. And so simply you're drawn this
Yeah.
beautiful elephant.
And I always thought making an elephant was so tough.
Right.
Same here, same here.
Thank you so much. For the borders also, we can use some curved lines or some triangles and just fill it in with some other lines or patterns to make it nice. And then we can color it also if we want. Otherwise also, if you don't have the colors right now, we can just leave it black and white. It looks really nice. And for the colors, it's not necessary that you want any kind of a particular color. Whatever is available, you can use pencil colors, crayons, whatever you want, whatever you have. I would also request all of you to please switch on your cameras. So let's make it more interactive and fun so that everybody can see and be inspired by our creativity. Thank you, Kavita ji, and welcome. I'm sorry, your audio is muted, so I can't hear you.
Oh, sorry. I'm really enjoying. This is my first time, and Yogita ma'am told me about this, and on a request I joined this. But thank you, Yogita ma'am. Thank you, Gaurav sir. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much, Kavita ji.
Thank you, Kavita, for
Yeah.
joining. And Gaurav, I made the elephant so simple. I was thinking कि कौन सा आसान है, मुझे लगा flower सबसे आसान है.
Exactly.
But the way Gaurav told 3 elephants, मैंने कहा यही बनाना है. It's so beautiful.
Thank you
Hi,
so much.
Gaurav. Hi.
Yeah, hi, Ritu.
Yes, this is what I have. A question you had. A tree.
Yeah,
So now, do I do double lines on the leaves also?
yes, absolutely.
वो बहुत tedious हो जाएगा है ना on each leaf to do a double line? No?
If you feel that way, you can just outline the entire tree from outside. So
Okay.
like give the aura to the entire tree, like instead of giving it to each leaf.
मेरी
Like-
drawing अच्छी नहीं है, चलेगा क्या?
Drawing सबकी अच्छी होती है मैम, कुछ ऐसा नहीं है. Ritu, if you see on the screen with the two birds, like if you see, I've outlined all the leaves, but if you
Okay.
see the berries that I've done,
Yeah.
you can outline like that just from the outside, to make it a group so that it's enveloped with the aura.
Got you. Got it. I see. Okay.
I'm also going to do these with you. So let me keep shuffling between this screen and what I'm doing. So just filling in the leaves, and also in the branch, you can just put lines like this.
Gaurav, how come you draw so effortlessly and it just flows?
Ma'am, it's like the more you draw, it comes to you.
Okay. Right, right.
Actually, the thing is, ma'am, that everybody is a good artist. They're just out of practice.
Okay. But I think the best teacher is the one who brings out these artist skills or the, these attitudes in their students. So the best teachers are those.
Absolutely, ma'am.
मेरा पैरेट तो खाते पीते घर का बन गया, बहुत मोटा सा.
तो अच्छा है, खाता पीता रहना चाहिए. So just by adding a few patterns, the entire drawing comes so much more interesting and as if alive. And we can, like, after we've done this, we can color it with different colors to make it more appealing. The best thing is there is no like nothing that can go wrong. Everything is right. If you think you've done a mistake, we can just go around it and make it look more beautiful. So we can also just color with the sketch pens or any other color that you have. And we can just leave in certain things blank and not color them. Especially the outlines that we do, we can just keep them blank and without any color.
Recording.
Just by filling in the color, see how lovely it's come out. Very nice, Kavita ji. So if you, very nice, Dr. Ruchi. Now see, I colored the birds. So if you see here, in the second bird, this one, I haven't colored it entirely. I left some blank ones. I just fill it in with black lines. So you don't have to color all of it. You can just make patterns in some, color in some.
Yeah, it's
However you
blending
like.
into it.
So like this lotus, what we can do is, you see, in the lotus, what I did, I alternated the colors, and then some I just fill in the lines. We can also use two colors, like I've used only pink. We can use pink or some other color here, orange or purple, and like you can just alternate colors, blue, green, whatever you feel like. Now see, in the lotus, you can do it like this. Two different colors.
Beautiful. Photo, no? Using a different color.
Different colors, and we can just use some white spaces with lines to give
Mhm.
more. It adds to the character of the work.
Yes, that's beautiful. Gaurav has done two. We are struggling with one.
Ma'am, I had already done these before, so that's why.
Mhm.
Like in the stacked elephants that you can see, we can have all three elephants of different color. So that will add to the painting as more vibrancy, and we can have smaller patterns in the cloth and in the elephant also. We can fill the elephant also with all different colors and patterns if we want.
Hi, Gaurav. I
Yeah,
changed,
hi.
and I made it very simple. Thoda sa na mind was a little 100% not there. It's very simple today.
That's absolutely fine, and I can understand, the mind not being there.
State of
So
mind.
many- So many things are happening, no?
Yeah, like emotions interfere also. So I was not.
So there's where this thing can help you while you're doing it with your emotions. You'll see that however you're feeling, your painting will have that emotion in it as well. And as they say, a smile can change your outlook to things, and sometimes it's just the outlook that changes your, smile. So when you're doing this, it will be easy for you to let go of things. And since the first rule is to smile and do it and enjoy it, you'll feel
Yeah.
much better.
True.
Gaurav, as ma'am said, my painting is also showing restlessness. We had a meeting today and nobody turned up. It is showing in my painting. It is so weird. No border is clear. Even sun has merged into the dimensions.
That's absolutely fine. Because now since you've done it, all your restlessness is out. So you'll be feeling much more calmer, and you can go ahead do things more better.
Right. Thank you so much.
Gaurav, look at this.
Yes, ma'am. Looking very nice, ma'am. Looking very nice.
अभी इसमें पैटर्न्स फिल अप कर दूंगी ना, बस
जी मैम।
आउटलाइन से। थैंक यू।
This is pencil shading. Is it okay?
वाओ, दैट्स ब्यूटीफुल, वेरी ब्यूटीफल कविता।
अरे
यू हैव
मुझे-
मेड 2।
मुझे पता ही नहीं था मुझे ड्राइंग आती है।
Gaurav made it
You're
very
doing
simple.
so well, ma'am.
पेंसिल
Very
शेडिंग।
nice. Very nice.
अरे थैंक यू। सही में
कविता
I
हर चीज
said
को
it.
डबल लाइन करनी है बस, that you
जी
have
मैम।
not taken care.
Double line in everything. That is very important.
ओके ओके थैंक
In
यू।
That is the essence of-
Madhubani, two things. First, the border, and second,
Okay.
the double line in everything. And whatever you want to make, you can make. Whatever colors you want to use, you can use. Like I said, we can fill the elephant with patterns. See,
Oh wow, that's beautiful. Wow, great.
it's just simple flowers that I made, but it is giving so much of character to the same elephant.
Exactly, excellent, excellent.
Very nice, Gaurav. Very beautiful.
Thank you, ma'am.
Gaurav, I ended up making a little wider borders today. I don't know why.
That's absolutely fine, ma'am.
That's
That
okay.
means the aura is so
I
big.
noticed it going around everywhere. अपने आप हो रहा है unconsciously.
Wow, double outline से कितना अच्छा बन गया।
I know.
Very nice.
It just transforms the entire thing.
सिर्फ आउटलाइन को डबल करने से ही कितनी ग्रेस आ गई इसमें।
Absolutely correct.
एक चीज को 2 बार बताओ तो अच्छे से रजिस्टर होती है ना माइंड में भी।
बिल्कुल बिल्कुल।
I really like this approach of yours, that you're so accommodating and accepting of everything. Whenever anybody comes up with something which we find fault with, you say it's okay. Everything is okay. I've seen our
Everything is
teachers who
okay. There
are
is
so particular about everything. They'll make you erase everything 10 times and it has to be perfect according to them. But nature isn't that perfect. You know?
Dr. Ruchi, what is the definition of perfection? Your perfection
moving
would be
target.
different than
It's a
mine, no?
moving target.
And nobody can be as perfect as God. And why did He
Of course.
made all the trees look different, all the leaves different? Why? Because जितना diversity होगा उतना तो अच्छा रहेगा ना.
Exactly.
So
No,
there
I'm
is
telling you my
nothing that's wrong.
experience with a lot of art teachers. And I used to tell them, bhai, itna particular nahi hona chahiye. If you're teaching a child, let them go free hand. So,
Absolutely.
but very few people gelled with me at the same wavelength.
So for the border, what we can do, let me share something. So if we are having a border like so we can
He's
just
not
make-
picking up.
Yes, ma'am. Is it visible?
Yes, it's visible.
We can just make simple
Darshan?
triangles like this.
उससे क्या हुआ? वो जो बंदा आने वाला था वो क्या कह रहा है? 5 minutes now. आ तो नहीं गया है? तुम्हें यहाँ से लड़की भी नजर आ रही है? अच्छा, मुझे वहां से गाड़ी नजर आ रही है। आज वर्षा को लेनी वर्कशॉप लेने तो नहीं आ रही अपनी? एवलिन को लेनी ना, शर्ट्स बनानी थी ना, वो कलर वाली वो जो भेजी थी।
See, just the
इसको
simple
बोलो तो
lines
चाय
with
बनाई
a
यार, हेडेक
triangle.
हो गया बैठ बैठ।
किनका माइक
वर्षा
हो रहा है?
ये
Can
तो-
she mute her, sir?
हम इतने मैग्नेटिक लोग आएंगे तो बाकी लोग खींचे चले आएंगे।
So this was one way. Or we can just do a U pattern. And don't forget to outline. That is very important. You can go the other way around. And inside this, we can make a circle maybe, or a triangle, or we can repeat circle, triangle, kind of thing. And then we can just use different colors to fill in. So very simple ways to make different patterns. To give it more character, we can make something like this outside the border, which can run into the painting. And if we don't want to color this, we can color this. Or if we don't want to color this, we can just put lines in this. See, with just simple lines, you can make pretty borders. And if you don't want to color it, if suppose this is our border, we can just take horizontal and vertical lines to create a very nice pattern. Or you can go vertical, diagonal. Sorry. And if you want to further enhance it, we can just alternate fill it in. The same patterns will look different. Or maybe if you want a leaf pattern, suppose this is it, you just do leaf pattern. And you can just color this green and outside any other color, red, orange, whatever. I forgot to outline. See. You can have a leaf pattern like this. So many different ways we can make the borders.
A
Very
little
nice,
better.
Ritu.
Second attempt.
Very nice.
Thank you.
See, and the clarity has increased in just a very short
Release when? Yep.
time span.
Yep.
See this border, pencil shading only.
How nice is that?
There are no mistakes in art, right, Gaurav?
There are no mistakes.
Yeah.
If you see in life, Ritu, there are no mistakes. Again, they're like opportunities and learning instances. You know,
Yeah.
you did something wrong, so you learn out of it. So they were there for a reason.
True.
Thank you, Parulji.
Gaurav, I could do
we-
till now, and I have a session at 11:15, so I need to take off. Thank
This
you
is
so
looking
much.
so nice, Yogita ji. It was wonderful
Thank
having you, and we really enjoyed you having
Sure.
having you
Yes,
here
I
with
was,
us.
yes, I was enjoying it with Seema. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Yogita ji, please see this picture. Thank you so much.
हाँ कविता बहुत सुंदर है, बहुत सुंदर है.
And I am feeling so good. Thank you so much.
हाँ, मैं इसको अभी 5 मिनट पहले कहा, मैंने कहा चुपचाप आके ज्वाइन करो.
Oh, बिल्कुल.
And I'm glad she
Amazing.
felt happy.
Yeah. And see,
And मेरे भी
Doesn't
balance
look like your
life
first
बराबर नहीं
attempt.
थी, but I never felt like that कि क्यों बराबर नहीं है. Perfectionism is a sin. Perfectionism कभी होना नहीं चाहिए.
हाँ,
It is the root
बिल्कुल.
cause of so many problems in the life.
Yes, yes. मुझे पता ही नहीं था कि मैं भी ड्राइंग कर सकती हूँ कभी.
You,
That was a
you're a born
realization.
artist, Kavita ji.
Oh,
हाँ,
really?
बहुत सुंदर बनाया है.
Thank you for such a motivating words. Thank
Thank you
you.
all. Thank you so much. I'm taking a
Thank
leave now. Thank you.
Thank you, Yogita ji.
I'm also leaving. I also have to take a class. Thank you so much. Bye bye.
Thank you, Kavita ji.
you
We had
so much.
wonderful time having you there with us.
Thank you.
Parul ji, आप भी share करो. What have you done?
Sir, actually I joined late. I have started now only.
Okay, कोई बात नहीं. You want to see the screen what we had shared with the
Yes, sir.
artworks and all?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
So I'll just share the templates again once more. So can you see? These are the
Yes.
4 references that we've taken. And apart from that, if you want to do something else, you are free to do that.
Also, can we use pencil colors in this?
You can use any colors. If you don't have any colors, it's okay. We can use just a ballpoint pen also. That's absolutely fine.
Okay. Okay.
The
Sir,
purpose, Ji ma'am.
can you even share your number? Like, do you have a WhatsApp group? Whenever you take any sessions like this, will come to know.
Ma'am, you can take my email ID and you can just drop me a mail and
Okay.
also share whatever you've done here with us. So that
Okay.
would be great. So it's Gaurav Chawla, GAURAV CHAWLA 001
001. Okay.
@hotmail.com.
Please repeat once.
So Gaurav Chawla 001 @hotmail.com.
Yes, sir. Done.
And you can drop us a mail if you want like me to share this template with you. I can do that also.
Yes, sir.
I'll mail it back to you.
Okay. And even what work we have done, that also we can send, right?
Yes, absolutely. Absolutely.
Okay.
Yes, Dr. Ruchi.
So far here.
Oh, how nice. The borders have come so nice. अभी आप उसमें color डाल दोगे तो it will look so nice. It's looking lovely as it is also.
May I put colors? I'm going to step out today and get some new colors. This is the only stock I had abhi ghar pe to.
It's absolutely fine.
I will complete and send you the pic.
Sure, ma'am. You can just take a screenshot of this and I'll stop sharing the image right now. Have you taken a screenshot?
Yes, sir, taken.
Okay, great. Very nice, Ritu. And in the background, we could have filled it in with some patterns as well. Like, let me see if I can share something. Like in the lotus, if we want to show it's in the water, so what we can do is just make like a flowy kind of a pattern,
Got it.
you know, and it can be thick somewhere, not so thick somewhere, just like this. And we can just fill in some with lines again.
Wow. Lovely. Lovely.
And then we can use the rest to fill in, the blues.
I play it safe, Gaurav. I like to play it safe.
So you can just go like this, see?
Lovely.
So, and then we can alternate it with this, Can have again some more lines. So this will show you that there's the fluidity of the water as well, and it adds to the character of the artwork as well. So
Beautiful.
like instead of water, if we were showing suppose air, we could use a spiral kind of a line, and just alternate. So you could just play with a lot of patterns and a lot of textures in your artwork that way. Okay, so with this, I'm also going to get going. So I hope all of you enjoyed it. And until next time, we'll see you again. Have fun and keep on doing this with a smile. Yes.
Bye-bye.
Bye.
Bye.